If your Hamilton Beach can opener isn't cutting smoothly, start with the basics. For corded models, confirm the unit is firmly plugged in and the outlet works. For cordless versions, make sure the battery is fully charged. Next, inspect the cutting blade. Food buildup around the blade is one of the most common causes of poor cutting performance. Wipe it clean and check for dullness or chips. A worn blade can slip or leave rough edges on the lid. If the can won't stay in place, remember aluminum lids won't stick to the magnet, that's normal. But if the can isn't rotating properly, the magnet or drive mechanism may need adjustment. Slightly loosening and retightening the magnet assembly can help reset alignment. Also, make sure the can is positioned evenly under the cutting wheel. If the rim is dented, rotate the can and start from a smoother section. If the motor hums, struggles, or makes grinding sounds, gear binding is likely the issue. Over time, internal gears can dry out or collect debris. Applying a small amount of lithium grease to the gears can restore smooth movement. If the motor hums but doesn't spin, slightly loosening the central gear nut can relieve tension. For locking issues, loosen the housing screws, press the handle down, and retighten to realign components. Avoid immersing the opener in water, clean it with a damp cloth, and brush debris from moving parts regularly.